Welcome, AEIS artists. Today and this week and next week and probably the week after that, we are going to be working on a weaving project. So we are going to learn a couple different weaves and create probably a bookmark. We have a couple tools that we're going to be using. So everybody will get their own loom. This is called a loom. And we are going to warp our loom today. But before we do that, I would like you to put your name and your teacher's name on it, and that will be the back. Okay, so once your name and teacher's name is on it, we are going to then start. So I've already pre-cut our warping loom string. And so the hardest part with weaving is tying a knot. So what you're going to do is you're going to wrap it around the first finger. So these have nice open spaces. So you're taking, and as if you're tying your shoe. So you are going to cross your strings and tie it, and then do it one more time so that you have a knot. And sorry that I'm not showing this really well. So you're tying your knot. So you've tied your string on your first tooth. And then what you're going to do is take your string all the way down, loop it around the back, and come all the way up. Loop it around the back, come all the way down. So you're looping your string on each of these fingers. Looks right. And then you should, depending on how much string you use at the top, hopefully you have enough string to tie it on the bottom. So that's a little bit trickier. So what you're going to do is you're just going to loop your string around. And you want to make sure that your strings are kind of tight. So pull it a little bit so that you almost get a little bit of a bow. See how I've pulled my strings so that I'm getting a little bit of a bow in my loom. And then you're going to tie. So again, the hardest part of weaving is tying your knots so that you have a nice string, and this is your loom. So we're going to start today and create our first warped loom and then work on our first stitch. So have fun tying knots. So we're going to get really good at tying knots and creating your loom.